Hello guys, here's Alan from Ether. Welcome to Tactile Membrane Technology Limited Corporations. Our company is established in 2013, which is specializing in the membrane switches designed and manufactured for over 10 years. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
The factory area is about 6,900 square meters. We can design and process various kinds of membrane switches, backlit membrane keypads, graphic overlays, printed circuits, and user interface, etc. In addition, we can design electric circuit and make FPC sheet or PCBA board according to customers' requirements. Complete the whole switches sealing and assembly so that finishing a good user interface control system. Therefore, contract manufacturing will be offered to the customer. TKM have been certified by ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. Our products and services are widely used in many fields.
Silk screen work is a core process during the whole design and manufacture of tactile membrane switches. There is a wide variety of machines for screen printing, and here is our screen printing workshop.
We have bright and spacious dust clear workshop, advanced production equipment and encapsulation equipment and skilled workers, and fully reinforced engineer team. We provide one-stop service and perfect products for customers. We are proud to be industry leaders in producing membrane switches that meet or exceed our customers' expectations.
This process requires the use of special tools and equipment, such as die cutting machines, semi-automatic die cutting machines, fully automatic die cutting machines, starter presses, hydraulic presses, and laser cutting machines.
In general, we use these machines to shape the adhesive layers, screen printing sheets, and graphic overlays. Cutting is the basis of the next step, assembly.
This is the least mechanized process. Currently, it's difficult to implement machinery and relies entirely on manpower. Assembling membrane panel, adhesive layer, upper and bottom printed circuit layers, and other adhesive layers.
During the assembly of custom membrane switches with the metal dome, there should be operating environments without static electricity.
In fact, the quality control is a key step during the whole production process. For each product, TKM will conduct 100% functional testing before packaging.
As we can see, there are many steps in small products, and the omission of any one link will affect the high quality of the membrane switch. Because of this, many product design and manufacture companies place demands on high quality stability. TKM is one of professional membrane keypad suppliers in China. We provide custom service, have sound management systems, and keep learning the advanced production techniques.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.